Repairing damage on a knockdown textured wall is now simple and easy, thanks to the new Marshalltown texture repair stencils. The stencils are designed to match common patterns found on textured walls. They come in 3 patterns: small, medium, and large, and they're reusable with easy water cleanup. The first step to a repair is to patch the wall with compound. Sand the patch flat after it's dry. Then locate the stencil over the repair and tape it in place. Next, apply drywall compound over the stencil, scraping the putty knife across the surface to keep it flat. Remove the stencil and let it dry. Sand it down to the same level as the surrounding texture, feathering the edges for a good match. Apply a coat of paint and the wall is as good as new again. Check out the Marshalltown Knockdown Texture Repair Stencils for your next repair project.